Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. And I want to ask you guys a question. What grade would you give the National Works Agency in terms of the state of the Jamaican roads and how they're going about fixing and maintaining them? Now, recently it was announced that they are going to be reviewing the roles and functions of the National Works Agency. So, on a scale with A the best and F being the lowest, what grade would you give them for the work for the state of the roads in Jamaica? Now, in terms of the main roads, they are in a terrible state. The entity, I, I, I don't know. I'm asking you guys, what grade would you give them? Because any main road you drive on in Jamaica now, or maybe 90% of them, the road is in a terrible state. And even though they are starting the Spark program, where they're going to be spending 45 billion, but I think of that 20 billion will be spent on the main roads by the NWA. The roads have gotten to this point. What would do you think? How would you grade the NWA in maintaining these roads and allowing them to get to the state they are in now? So leave your comment in the section below. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the NWA does and what's going on with them. A review of the functions of the National Works Agency is being considered as the government places more focus on improving the road network. We are going to have to review the role and functions of the NWA and possibly create either an additional unit or expand the NWA because the crisis that we face with new roads, the NWA is not sufficient to manage it, said Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. He noted, however, that the demand on the entity has increased beyond the agency's original mandate to that of management of the island-wide road network. The NWA in its formation was formed to take over the role of the Public Works Department structure, and it was also meant to be the national engineers, advising government on engineering matters but overseeing the engineering of major construction projects. The NWA is now being asked to administer roads, even roads that are not under their jurisdiction, and clearly there are other functions that have arisen under the management of roads which NWA was not capacitated to do, he pointed out. So that's the end of the update article. So guys, what do you think of the NWA and the state of the main roads? What grade would you give them? Alright guys, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.